What is going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, living the dream. Pushing their wish, doing what they can with what they have, the best of what they can with what they have. So, my son is still at my parents' place. I had a call for a washer. So, right now I'm collecting scrap on my way back home. So, pushing the dream, boys. The only thing you can do. Pushing. So, I'll light the cam up if I found something interesting. See you later, folks. Because I will. I have faith that I will.
I dare you under every single circumstance. Keep dreaming. Keep looking at your dream. Keep focusing on your dream. Keep going after the dream.
So yeah, snowy. It's announcing another 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter again. So, a bit pissed about that, but like I said, we do what we can with what we have. So, pushing the dream, boys. Keep pushing. Living the dream in paradise. So I have a really decent load of scrap right now to go drop. It's starting to get a bit of blizzard. Feeling a bit lot of wind. I'll scrap till I die. So scrap price raised again, $3.50 now per metric ton. So stoked about that. Some big flakes, whatever, snowflakes, yeah. Doing the best we can with what we have. So that's my load. Yeah, scrap fly. Huh? So today, scrap run. Have couples of pickup. It's Friday. Normally Fridays aren't good, but I have my son with me. Couple of days ago, I was passing here and the guy was loading a brand new water heater. So I said, I bet you're gonna throw out the old one, so call me. I left him a card. Called me yesterday. Always something with Jackpot Digger. Not able to just film. Now my battery was low, so I had to recharge it. So sorry about that. I loaded the water heater that I think there's a bit of footage of. And I loaded the big master fridge too. So on our way to the scrap yard, I had a call for an office place. They have a bunch of class R, how do you say that, but you know, to put the files, file cabinet maybe, something like that. Anyway, I have a lot of those to go grab, so on our way to the scrap yard, I'll try to film a bit of my load. But now I'm not loaded to the top, I'm not jam-packed, but decent load even though. So I'm gonna drop those and go get my file cabinet. So I took off all that from that dumpster, all that wire, aluminum casing, BX. So that was a contract from my contract from yesterday. He told me, go at that address, there's a dumpster, you can take whatever you want in it. So what is going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, living the dream, pushing their wish, doing what they can, the best of what they can with what they have. So today, Saturday, my son slept to my parents' place yesterday. So anyway, I took advantage of it to take a lot of rest. I slept like I rarely do that, like 9 hours. So right now I woke up with a call. Have a bathtub to go grab, a cast iron bathtub, so I'm alone. No problem, I have my sledgehammer, so I'm gonna break it in parts. And I was going to get my bins and load up bins, so little trip by little trip. After that I'm gonna go grab my son to my parents' place. Going back home, hope I will grab something else in the city of Montreal. So if you're new to the channel, welcome in my journey. Nothing special, but nothing special. I'm a scrapper. I do recycling with the garbage that I found. I do it commercially and domiciliary. I'm not sure if it's able to say. I speak French, so sorry about that. French Canadian, Québécois. So welcome in my journey. For the others, thanks a lot for watching the ads. It's helped for supporting the channel. I just starting to see a bit of the money right now, so thank you very much. You guys are legends, so thank you. Like I said, hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So see you later. I'll show you the bath, probably in my bed of my truck, in little pieces. I'm gonna go inside of his place. It's at the 2nd floor, so I'm gonna break it apart. Peace. So that was really funny, because I broke the bath apart, so everything is done. It's in my bath right now, a small bath, but I kept the cast iron legs. So but anyway, the guy asked me, what's the price of the copper so far, what's the price of the iron, blah blah blah. So me, I'm fair play, I'm gonna tell it to you, no problem with that. So, you know what I mean? If you ask me the truth, I'm gonna tell you the truth. But so yeah, so I was breaking the bath apart, maybe like 20 hits, not even. It shatters like a porcelain. If you go with a big sledgehammer, you just drop it on it and it falls down in pieces. So anyway, it wasn't a big deal. But anyway, I told him the price. I told him the price of copper and iron. So the guy was talking to his colleague, his friend or whatnot. He was talking to him and told him, hey, we're gonna do it on the next job. We're gonna do it. It's like $1,000, blah blah blah, lots of steel. So we're gonna rent a big truck, and we're gonna do it by itself. So when I came the first time in front of him with the first piece, I said, yeah, you make me regret to tell you the truth, you know what I'm saying? I said, I tell you the truth, and now you're stealing me some jobs, so I shouldn't told you it. So his colleague, his friends was like, yeah, it's true, the guy was friendly enough, he's coming fast, blah blah blah, so we should be kind enough, so we should let him. So right now I have a master contract on Monday. The guy told that I should rent a truck, but I'm gonna do it in few trips. That's all. The guy told him that I could take my time even to come pick it up. But on Monday, today it's Saturday. On Monday, I even got something to go grab tomorrow morning. A little bit of cast iron plumbing. But after that, the guy Monday, the guy I'm gonna start. He's gonna call me tomorrow to tell me the address and all. And we're so I'm gonna make a lot. I should make. The guy told me that it was like 3-4 tons of material, but when you're not used to steel, sometimes you overweight your stuff. So anyway. So I'm really glad about that. My honesty finally paid, because the guy, that's it. So I'm supposed to work like I just met a new contractor. The guy answered my ads on Kijiji. I was there in like 45 minutes, so he has nothing to complain of. Scrap life. Stoked about that. Found, yeah.
Puis t'es pas mort?
Non. Quoi?
T'as-tu glissé?
Un peu. En revenant. Tu vois? Je me tourne. Tu sais, je tourne. Ok, ça t'es correct. Tu vois, j'avance, je me lève debout. Tu sais, je fais le fou, comme ça. Mais tu sais, comme la roue, elle a pas parti dans le vide. C'est fou. Ok, je m'en vais vite un peu. Je pogne, tu sais, les trucs où que les chars descendent. Là. Fait.
Je voulais te mettre tes pieds à terre. Attention avec tes bottes, ne mets-en pas partout.
Ouais, j'ai dû mettre mes pieds. J'arrive. Un peu comme si.
La porte en avant.
Ouais, elle est déjà barrée. C'était drôle. Ouais.
So today, snowy, maybe 15 centimeter. They're announcing 20 to 25 total in 3 days, so probably the most of it is already fell down. So I have my contractor, one contractor, another brother of mine, called me for a lot of cast iron plumbing and a bathtub, another bathtub. I already listed 4 legs for $70 on eBay for cast iron bathtub legs. So I broke one apart 2-3 days ago, still in my truck. I was dealing with my tax income and everything around my place, so I have that to go grab, and I have two other water heater, two that I have to go pick up, but no rush. The guy told me that I could come tomorrow too. So that's pretty much the plan of the day. So let's go into that nightmare. Looks really slidey outside. Cars are not driving fast. So hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Peace. So there's what, maybe 20 centimeters already felt. It's gonna add weight to my truck. So I'll go directly with that already. already. Inside of an igloo, it's look like that. Yeah, if nobody knew. That's what it looked like inside of an igloo. Just kidding. It's pretty much the anarchy right now. Nobody is remembering how to drive. Every storm it's the same thing. So people are driving like at 20 to 30 kilometers on the road. So anyway, so let's go over there, get that scrap in my truck, because it's that where it belongs.
Je le recommande, s'il vous plaît.
Ouais, ton spécial 2 petits matins pour 5$, c'est encore bon ça?
D'accord, ça va être quel pain?
Muffin anglais.
Quelle viande?
Un saucisse, un bacon.
Ensuite?
Je vais te prendre un grand 2-2.
Y a-t-il autre chose?
Tu me mettras un couvert bombé dessus, s'il te plaît.
Un couvert bombé pour le grand 2. Ensuite?
C'est tout.
C'est le 92, s'il vous plaît, à la fenêtre. Merci.
So yeah, I don't want to feel like a beggar. I'm not. I work for my money and own every penny I have, you know. I don't steal it.
Alors, c'était 92. Aïe, ça va là? Voilà, ça vient. Bonne journée. Bye, merci.
So yeah, I'm not a beggar. I don't want, I set it up, my PayPal account, my PayPal me account as a tip jar, you know. When I go to a bar and I'm enjoying the service, whatever, I give an extra tip, you know. When I go to Tim Horton, I give an extra tip. But and even me, when I see some PayPal link on the end of a video that I appreciated, it happened oftenly that I'm gonna leave like $1, 50 cents even. I already left like 50 cents at some place, I can't remember where, but you know, just like that. And I enjoy it the job that you did. It's a little tip jar. But this week, subscriber that know me that follow me remember well I had a mechanic problem last week on my truck. Cost me $300. I mean, I had to change the coil and the alternator, plus and work on it, the little tune-up I had to do. But damn, I'm shocked. Somebody from the UK decided that they were paying for the reparation. I mean, I'm not complaining at all, but I didn't even pay my rent yet. I mean, and I put it on the standby. Doesn't happen to me oftenly, but my landlord is really a cool guy, and he's not rushing at all. He know that I will pay him no matter what. So I mean, he let me do. When it happened like maybe couples of times, and he never said nothing. I didn't even call him just to tell you how, and he didn't even call me back. But anyway. And I'm not gonna say you the amount that guy sent me from the UK, because I don't feel like making a war or a competition about that at all. It's not the goal. Like I said, it's a tip jar. You know, you can just leave tip and I'll be fine with it. You know. But one love from Quebec, my friend from the UK, Barry. I will never forget you, my friend. And he told me, pretty much sure, Scrap and Pallet Man, don't know why, but he told me to say thanks to Scrap and Pallet Man. So thank you, Scrap and Pallet Man, because it seems like it's a bit of your fault. So one love, man. One love. God bless. And thank you very much. It helped me a lot. Seriously, there's something really weird that happened to me this week. I had a contract, a plumber guy. He called me from my ad on Kijiji for a bathtub. So I said, all right, no problem, I'll be there soon. So I went over there, picked up the bathtub, broke it apart, and we were just talking, you know, we were talking like about the weather and about everything and anything at the same time. I don't know. But the guy told me, he said, hey, scrap iron is at 150 per ton. I said, no. I mean, like, honestly, I told him, like, no, it's at 350 right now, so it's not 150, it's 200 more. He said, oh, yeah, blah, 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 okay, because I have a master load of cast iron, plumbing, blah, 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 and I'll be interested to get rid of it, so now I know that it's that price. I said, come on, don't make me regret that, tell you the truth. So he said, all right, no problem. It's going to be yours. Take your time. I have close to 5 tons of cast iron, so I'm going to call you tomorrow, blah, blah, blah. The next morning, I was waiting for his call. He said, I'm going to call you at 7. So at 8, I sent him a text message, SMS. Guy called me back. He said, you're not gonna be happy about that, but I decided to keep it finally. I was like, come on, man, I'm the one that gave you the news. Don't make me regret telling you to be honest, you know. So anyway, so I lost that contract, and I was like grinching inside of me. I mean, it's like not oftenly that it makes me regret of being honest, because I lost that like 5 tons of steel. So 5 tons, 350, it's like $1,500 just because I was honest. Tell him, that guy, the price of the steel. So I was grinching inside of my place. Not that day, I didn't have that much, blah blah blah. I was like, come on. And I wake up with a gorgeous PayPal donation. And seriously, I believe in karma. You know what I mean? I was like grinching about being honest, and it doesn't have sense at all to me at the end. You know, I won't change for sure. And someone from the other side of the earth telling me that he appreciate my work and want to support the channel, give me a huge amount of money. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. It gave me not that I lost it, but that's the kind of things that happen in my life that means I have hope in humanity and humankind. So thank you, Barry. I hope I'm not messing your name, but thank you very much from the UK. God bless. You can't imagine how it helped. So it pushed me to make a video. It's been a while that I didn't film. Problem with my batteries. No, it's gonna be it for the road trip.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together.
So cast iron bathtub all broke apart, little pieces, so I'm able to do it by myself. All those poles. And I'm gonna be able to go pick my couples of water heater. So let's go there, scrap life. Montreal, not allowed. The only place in North America that you're not allowed to turn right on the red light. So yeah, Montreal, if ever you come to Montreal, don't forget it. If you don't want any tickets, scrap life. Damn, I'm tired of the winter. Nice piece. Pure stainless. Going in the back. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but every time I lost my left glove. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right glove, but no 1 left glove. It's like, what freak, I don't eat left gloves. Anyway, scrap life. Scrap is so high that people just don't separate it anymore. I see lots of wires and brass and copper wires and everything. But anyway, that's gonna be my load, quite heavy. I'm at 5,600 with my truck, so a big total of 1,560 pounds. 248, and I'm gonna go drop, just because I'm just beside it, my lead, my brass, stainless steel, dirty brass, and maybe I'm gonna throw those in the dirty brass pile as well. So scrap life. Wow, prices are so different from one place to another. It's insane. I'm happy that I came with a lot of quantity, 21 pounds brass faucet. They only gave me 50 cents per pound. I would double that amount normally. I get $1 at other place, but for a clean, $2.15. I get 15 cents more. So anyway, lead 80 cents, and stainless steel, even that I am able to have 55 at somewhere else. So anyway, learning, it's a learn process. So another 40 bucks, 43.75 for the dream. So let's go to my place, clean a bit of my face because I'm full of dirt right now, and go take a little dinner. And after that, my 2 water heaters should be ready to go picked. So hallelujah. On my way to go get my 2 water heater. Should be 2 master 60-gallon tanks, so those are heavy, really good. So tomorrow morning I have 1 freezer and 1 fridge to go get. So I will match that with my 2 water heater from today. So it's gonna make a nice load for tomorrow afternoon, let's say. But it's quite a far run, but anyway, it's worth it, and no matter what. So hope you liked that video. I forgot, no, it's not finished. I still have to show you all that red gold that I dropped at my place. Have a full garbage can full of wires, #1 grade wire. So it's gonna be good for stripping for tonight, this evening. So that's it. Show you a bit later on. 3 coffee later. And yeah, I didn't show you that piece of the dream, red gold. A few pieces of brass that I didn't saw because I dropped my dirty brass. But yeah, so if you like that video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down. I really don't care. If you have any constructive comment, feel free to give it to me. And scrap, or don't forget, Keep living the dream, boys, and scrap till you die, tabarnak.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrap or die, nigga.